Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to teach about setting system date and time. Now I am going to teach about how to change date and time. Now all the computers all the computer have a built-in clock and calendar. In all the computer of our all computer have a built-in clock and calendar. The date and time are displayed on the bottom right side of the taskbar. At the right side bottom area a taskbar available where date and time is displayed. To change the date and time setting of your computer, now we can change date and time setting of our computer. There are following steps to follow. We can change the date and time of our computer, of our system. Now there is a step now. First of all, right click on the time in system tray. At the right side of the bottom area there is a time displayed. There we can right click on the time in system tray. Next point, from the menu that pops up, click the adjust date time menu item. There are from the menu that pop up, click the adjust date and time menu item. And next point, this will be open the date and time property window. In this window we can adjust date, time and time zone. Then right click in on the time, the dialog box, the date and time properties window will appear. In this window we can adjust time, date and time zone. Then next point, once the proper date and time has been set, click apply and then click OK button. If we change all the date and time zone, then if we proper change date and time set has been set, then click apply and click then OK button. In this way we can change the date and time, and we set the time of our computer system. Now we can discuss next topic. Now our next topic is opening and closing of windows. Now our point is how to open and close our computer's window. Now we have seen that an application can be opened from the start menu by using either programs menu or run command. We have seen that an application can be opened from the start menu by using either programs menu or run command. With the help of programs menu and run command, we can open the different programs like Notepad, WordPad, MS Paint, Notepad, etc. etc. Now it can also be opened from the location where it is stored, and we can also open the different types of program from the location where it is stored. The program where stored we can directly open. just double click the application file or select open from the right click menu. Just double clicking the application file or select open from the right click menu, we can directly open the different types of programs and applications. This is the all points are to open different programs. And now next our point is how to close window, how to close our programs. Now when the application or programs terminate, the windows associated with it needs to be closed. When the application or programs terminate, when we want to close the window and application, then the associated with the needs to be closed. Then we can close by clicking the close, that means cross button on the title bar. On the title bar we can close button we click, and however it can also be closed by selecting exit or close option from the file menu. And we can also close our window, close our different programs with the help of file menu, where exit and close option are available. By selecting and clicking, we can close our application and close our programs. This is the way of closing the programs, and this is the opening the programs. And now we can discuss the next point. Three. Now our next point is basic window tools. Basic window tools. Window comes loaded with some basic tools like Notepad, Paint. We will briefly discuss these tools here. Basic window tools. What is basic window tools? Windows come loaded with some basic tools. Windows come loaded with some basic tools like Notepad, MS Paint, and also different programs. We will briefly discuss these tools here. First of all, we discuss about Notepad. What is Notepad? It is a basic text editor that you can use for editing or creating simple text document. Notepad, it is the basic text editor that can be used for editing or creating simple text document. Editing and creating simple text document. This is the Notepad. With the help of Notepad, we can create a note, and we can save, and we can open, and we can edit the text document. This is the Notepad. Then we can how to start the Notepad. Now to start Notepad, first of all we click Start menu, then Program or All Programs and Accessories, and then we click Notepad. This is the way to start the Notepad. Then we type the and edit and close with the name. This is the Notepad. And now our next point is Paint. That means MS Paint. It is a drawing tool you can use to create simple or elaborate drawing. That means MS Paint is a drawing tool. Within the MS Paint, we can draw different types of picture, images, etc. and give the color and design in the MS Paint and Paint. This drawing can be either black and white or color, and can be saved as bitmap files. The drawing either black and white or colors, and we can also save the as bitmap files, and we can save the file bitmap files. This is the MS Paint files. In the MS Paint file, we can draw different image, picture, and give different color. Now, to start the MS Paint, then how start the MS Paint? Now, we can follow the steps. First of all, we click Start menu, All Programs or Programs, Accessories and Paint or MS Paint. This is the step to start MS Paint, that means drawing program. This is the drawing program, and Notepad, the text editor. And now, dear student, in this topic, you have any types of problem, you can call this number. Now, thank you.